The method of measuring the level of advancement a civilization has achieved is most commonly based on the Kardashev scale. It's a method developed in 1964 by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev. The Kardashev scale classifies civilizations based on their technological advancement and, more specifically, their ability to harness and use energy. Kardashev proposed 4 main types of civilizations, but over the years, other scientists and futurists have expanded the scale to 6. We are going to explore each of these different civilizations, starting from Type 0 to the most advanced theoretical ones. Type 0, pre- or emerging civilizations. Type 0 civilizations utilize primitive energy sources, such as fossil fuels and coal, oil, natural gas, as well as wood, and basic renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. They are characterized by fragmented political systems, nascent space exploration, and a limited understanding of how to effectively manage planetary resources. Humanity currently resides as a Type 0 civilization on the Kardashev scale. We are still reliant on non-renewable energy sources and have not transitioned to harnessing renewable and clean energy at a global scale. Humanity's ability to control and manipulate energy is still at a basic level compared to what Type 1 civilizations are capable of. Technologies such as nuclear energy, the internet, and developing space missions suggest humanity has made progress in reaching the Type 1 civilization level. Type 1, planetary civilizations. Moving from Type 0 to Type 1 is a crucial transition for any civilization. Physicist Michio Kaku has suggested that if humanity manages to avoid self-destruction, we could reach Type 1 within the next 200 years. Type 1 civilizations can harness and store all of the energy available on their home planet. This includes energy from fossil fuels, renewables like wind, solar, hydroelectric power, and even the total energy output of the planet, such as geothermal energy, as well as controlling weather patterns and harvesting energy from natural phenomena like hurricanes. A Type 1 civilization can control global weather, regulate earthquakes, manage ocean currents, and have technology to prevent and harness natural disasters. It would have developed advanced space travel capabilities, allowing for regular exploration of nearby planets. Energy would no longer be a scarcity, as global energy demands would be fully met through clean and renewable resources. Developments in fusion energy, large-scale solar farms, and global cooperation in space exploration are positive steps in transforming the human species into a Type 1 civilization. 2 good examples of what a Type 1 civilization would look like would be Blade Runner and Avatar. Type 2, a stellar civilization. Type 2 civilizations possess technology to harness the power output of their home star, as well as other planets, moons, and asteroids within their solar system. Energy harvested from the star could power entire worlds and would make space travel highly efficient, normalizing travel between all the planets and colonies. These civilizations are capable of harnessing the total energy output of its sun by utilizing something like a Dyson sphere or Dyson swarm. Both are hypothetical megastructures that surround a star, enabling them to capture a large portion of its energy output. For humanity, achieving Type 2 status would involve not just the successful colonization of Mars or the Moon, but also building infrastructure in space that could sustain massive populations and industries. Theoretical propulsion technologies like nuclear fusion rockets or antimatter engines would be necessary to move efficiently through the solar system. Many of today's science fiction movies and novels make a good representation of Type 2 civilizations. They portray societies that have mastered their solar systems, built space colonies, and thrive in the vast reaches of space. Star Trek and Forerunners in Halo are good examples of Type 2 civilizations. Type 3 Galactic civilizations. A Type 3 civilization controls the energy of their entire galaxy. They could harness the power of billions of stars, black holes, and other phenomena within their galactic neighborhood. They would likely utilize multiple Dyson spheres, and advanced forms of energy storage and transfer would be commonplace. They would have the ability to manipulate and explore the farthest reaches of their galaxy. They might employ technologies like wormholes or warp drives for near-instantaneous travel across vast distances. Such civilizations would have mastered the art of artificial intelligence, self-replicating machines, and interstellar travel. Reaching Type 3 status would take millions of years, if not longer. Civilizations of this magnitude would have total mastery of physics, chemistry, and biology. They may even possess some level of immortality, as their advanced technologies could prevent biological degradation and death. These incredibly advanced civilizations resemble the Galactic Empire in Star Wars or Asgard in Stargate. Type 3 civilizations are purely theoretical, however, significant effort is being made to search for evidence of Type 3 civilizations. Type 4, a universal civilization. Type 4 civilizations have access to and can control the energy of an entire universe. This includes tapping into the energy of black holes, manipulating dark energy or dark matter, and possibly even creating or controlling multiple stars or galaxies. These civilizations would likely have control over space-time itself, utilizing advanced forms of space travel that allow them to move across galaxies. They would have no limitations in terms of energy or resources, and could create new stars or galaxies as needed. A civilization of this scale would be far beyond anything we can currently conceive of. They would have near-omniscient knowledge of the workings of the universe. They may even possess the ability to manipulate the fundamental constants of nature, such as the speed of light or gravitational forces. Like Type 3, this civilization is theoretical. If such civilizations exist, they may be indistinguishable from the universe itself, as their scale of influence would be unimaginable to us. Their understanding of physics and consciousness would be well beyond that of what could even be conceived by a Type 3 civilization or below. Type 5, a multiversal civilization. A Type 5 civilization would not be limited to one universe. They would have the ability to travel between and manipulate entire multiverses. This level assumes that there are multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws, that a civilization can move freely between. This level of civilization would have transcended the physical limitations of a single universe. They would be capable of creating and destroying universes and reshaping reality as we know it. They would exist beyond time and space and most likely come from or exist in higher dimensions. They have reached a level of existence akin to omnipotence. It would be a civilization that would have the near equivalent to having godlike powers, with full control over not just one universe, but the infinite possibilities of multiple universes. This type of existence would be so advanced that it may no longer even resemble what we consider as life today. A Type 5 civilization is purely speculative. There is zero evidence or known theoretical framework to fully support the existence of this level of civilization. The Kardashev scale offers a framework for understanding the technological and energy advancements that civilizations may achieve over time. While humanity is still at a Type 0 level, we are slowly advancing toward a Type 1 civilization. Each level up the scale represents not just a higher proficiency in energy use, but a profound transformation in the way a civilization interacts with its environment, its solar system, and the universe. As our understanding of the universe grows, the Kardashev scale may need to be expanded with sub-civilizations to incorporate new discoveries and technologies. The journey from Type 0 to Type 1 and beyond may take millennia, but the potential for such growth and advancement is one of the most exciting prospects for humanity's future.